Are the constant oil leaks around your hydraulic tank driving you crazy? Well, the real cause isn't actually a seal problem. With over 30 years of experience, I can tell you this is the root cause of catastrophic system failure. Today, eMind is going to show you how a widely ignored component, the breather filter, can completely destroy your entire system if it becomes clogged. How exactly does this happen? Think of a hydraulic tank like a pair of breathing lungs. If this breathing airway gets blocked, a powerful vacuum is created inside the reservoir. The consequences of this vacuum are absolutely devastating. First, cavitation. The vacuum causes millions of oil bubbles to form and aggressively implode inside the pump. This violent action tears away metal fragments from the pump housing, scattering them throughout your entire system. Second, external contamination. This strong vacuum actually distorts and pulls on the tank seals, forcing external dust and moisture to bypass the seals and violently enter the tank. These mixed dust particles then act like liquid sandpaper, severely scoring the internal walls of your valves and cylinders. Finally, as system pressure spikes during operation, the hydraulic oil forces its way out through those newly damaged seals. And that is the hidden secret behind those unstoppable leaks. To prevent this destruction, selecting the correct breather is critical. There are three main types you will encounter. Number 1, standard breathers. These are typically used to filter out dust particles only, but they completely fail to control moisture in the air. Number 2, desiccant breathers. These are incredibly important. The active silica gel inside them entirely absorbs incoming water vapor. This is the ultimate solution to block moisture from entering your system. Number 3, pressure and vacuum relief breathers. These operate based on specific pressure thresholds, helping maintain the exact required pressure levels inside the tank. To completely stop this failure cycle, you must follow the international standard of matching the CFM. It is absolutely mandatory to use a high-quality air breather with an airflow capacity that exceeds your pump's maximum flow rate. To learn more in-depth practical knowledge about machine-destroying phenomena like cavitation, erosion, contamination, and micro-dieseling, stay tuned and subscribe to eMind. Be sure to check out our other technical videos for more details. Stay focused and stay technical.